Hey guys, I'm Serena Kerrigan, the Queen of Confidence, and welcome to my sweet digs. Come inside, but before you come in here, this is a positive space, okay? So you cannot speak badly about yourself, because you look beautiful. Come on in. I'm Serena Kerrigan. I'm a video producer and host at Refinery29, and you can also see me all over social media as the Queen of Confidence, where I inspire my followers to stop caring what people think, because life is too short to not love yourself, okay? I live in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment on the Lower East Side. My roommate Sarvi and I have known each other since middle school, and then she came to my quinceañera in high school, and we went to Duke together. So we're best friends. We've been friends for a very long time. I really do love this apartment. I feel incredibly privileged and lucky to live here, even though I had to survive my mom being like, "Where are you? Come home now." I picked the opposite part of town. So my mom's on the Upper West Side and I picked the Lower East Side. So it's like, could I got any farther? She was like, "Serena, why did you pick such a far place away from me?" And I'm like, it was on purpose. My mom is from Argentina, and that was my best job doing her accent. So our rent is a little over $5,000 a month, which is absurd. Although I do think that this apartment is incredibly expensive, I've been saving up for 2 years, and because this is my big first city apartment, which is super exciting for me because I'm a born and bred New Yorker, I think it's worth it. It's still really expensive. But the caveat is this. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. I have my own bathroom? What? It's brand new. There's a doorman, gym, library spaces, 2 decks, and like a 360-degree view of the city. I do want to say that I went on a date with someone who lives in this building, and I suggest highly to not do that. That's it. So this is Sarvi's room. I love Sarvi so much as my roommate because we're both really clean. We're both actually always pretty much in a good mood. We're both very positive people. This is a positive space.
Oh, there's a roommate. Oh, there's a roommate.
But also because we support one another a lot and we have real conversations about our relationships and our careers, and we really listen to each other and actually can't stop talking. Sarvi pays a little more than me in rent because she has her bathroom inside her room. And I would say the number one benefit of that is not having to do the like naked hop from the bathroom to your bedroom, but I don't mind. Call me a bunny. So I feel like one of the major key differences between our room is that my room is filled with romance novels like How to Find Mr. Right, and Sarvi's books are Complete Investment Banker, Fundamentals of Corporate Valuation. She's very smart. And I was just looking on her bedside table and look what I found. It's the invitation to my 25th birthday party. It shows you that my obsession with her is mutual. The amazing thing about me and Sarvi is just we're best friends, and being roommates has only really brought us closer, and like I just love her so much. I mean, maybe it's because she's a Capricorn and I'm an Aries. I don't know. This is my room. I really wanted to make sure that my room reflected me and my space, and it was just like a sanctuary for me. I know nothing about interior design, except that I knew that I wanted my room to be chic, pink, cozy, and cute. Fit for a queen, you might say. I partnered up with this amazing company called Home Polish that pairs you up with a designer, and they come and see the space and they tell you what to buy. Amazing. Shout out to Tanisha. Love you, girl. And I love, love, love my room. I light some candles. I've actually gotten back into reading, not memes, books. I have 3 photos on my dresser. One is of my parents when they were together, and they got divorced when I was 2, so this is like a rare photo, but it's really sweet. And then one of me and my Nana, and then one of me and my dog George, who I grew up with and I love. My favorite piece in my room is this lamp. My dad gave it to me when I went to college, and it's actually his lamp from when he was 11 years old and he was sent to boarding school in England. When I think about it, I think about perseverance. I think about how it must have been really scary for my dad to go to a completely new country, away from his parents, you know, at boarding school at 11 years old. So when I look at it and think, wow, my dad was able to get through that and be the wonderful person he is, then I can be too. Something that was really important for me that I invested a lot of money in was beautiful big mirrors. Something that I think is major in building up your confidence is literally saying positive affirmations to your mirror. The mirror is from CB2, I highly recommend. I think it has like magical powers. Some of the mantras I say are, you're worthy, you're hilarious, you deserve everything you want in this world. I think I'm gonna make myself cry. Do you have a tissue? Let me take you to the bathroom. When we were looking for apartments, like I was like, there's no way we're gonna not share a bathroom. That's crazy. And Sarvi was pretty adamant about having your own bathroom, and now I see why. First of all, I can't even fit all the beauty products in my bathroom. I can't even imagine sharing with her. I got this shelving unit from Target because I needed more space. I added some shelves from Amazon as well. Dun dun dun. This is what I call good design. Oh, okay. Having my own bathroom is dope. Also a bathtub. Like I didn't take a bath since like 2013. Like I was ready. I was like, and here's the living room and kitchen all in one. The kitchen, what a place. Can't say I've used it a lot. I've been really active about trying to microwave more, you know, not order in, but at least have things to microwave. That's not a value that was taught to me growing up. My parents are workaholics. They're about their art. They're about what they produce and make, and they're creators, and they're just not creators in the kitchen. They express their creativity through their work, and that was what was ingrained in me. So I'm not embarrassed to say that I don't cook, okay? If you open my fridge, you will see that you will never be thirsty. Welcome to SFK's Bodega. What would you like? Would you like a protein shake, a green juice, a collagen water, flavored water, seltzer water, champagne? Anything you want, I will quench that thirst. So should we see the rest of the apartment? A lot of the furniture in our living room is actually from Sarvi's apartment from college, so it's great. I mean, our design style was, what do we have? Weirdly, our couch fit perfectly. Like, this is her couch from our apartment in New York. It literally fit perfectly into this space. Like, huh, hallelujah. I think it's kind of this like cozy, modern, chic style, a lot of pink accents with the marble, with the white. I'm not an interior designer. I think one of the most expensive things I splurged on this apartment was the TV. We have a really nice small dining room table, which isn't actually where we dine. It's where I get my glam squad, baby. Literally, we'd never eat at that table. It's literally for glam. And the mirrors. I think the mirrors were really important. Having a good mirror is epic. And it started the SFK Mirror Challenge. No one can leave this apartment without doing an SFK Mirror Challenge, which really is simply this. This is the SFK Mirror Challenge. You just witnessed what I do every time I wear a fire outfit. I walk, I strut, and I pose. And you're lucky that you're not in here because I would make you do it with me. I love this apartment, I love my roommate, I love my mirror, love my lamp, love myself. So, I'm happy. Thank you guys so much for watching my sweet digs. Sweet and spicy, I might say. To watch more videos, click here. To subscribe to Refinery29, click here. And I will be seeing you on Instagram.